Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best treadmills for running and walking. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best product money can buy, well, the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Folding Mechanical Treadmill. 90-degree folding. Safety shock absorption. Net weight 24 kilograms. Heart rate sensor real-time monitoring. Roller design easy to move. Load 150 kilograms security and stability. Stylish, one-piece design. Lightweight, farewell bulky. Vibration reduction and noise reduction. 5-layer shock absorption. Anti-slip noise reduction. Stay home and exercise. Number 4. Home Electric Treadmill. Function, monofunctional. Home use treadmill. Driving power, mechanical. Use, domestic. Driving force, electric aero modeling. Foldable design. Weather the suspension. Function, time, calories, exercise routines, speed regulation, distance. Run with area, 4,001,020 millimeters. Sports programs, manual operation. Specification, 12570.5116.6. Peak power, 2.0 horsepower. Maximum load bearing, 100 kilograms. 1.0 to 12.8 kilometers height range of speed. Gross weight 35.2 kilograms. Number 3. Motorized Treadmill. Model number, H8. Fold, yes. Function, monofunctional. Heart rate test, handheld. Application, home use treadmill. Driving power, electric. Number 2. ZXC Electric Treadmill. Brand name, ZXC. LED intelligent foldable electric treadmill with 52 cm conveyor belt. Handrail electric running training fitness body for home. Foldable treadmill. Heart rate test, without. Function, multifunctional. Driving power, electric. Application, home use treadmill. Number 1. Folding treadmill for home. Brand name, He Wolf. Folding treadmill for home use. Running belt area, 40,102 centimeters. Running platform width, 56 centimeters. Super wide running. Expanded size, 14,865,125 centimeters. Folding size, 1,387,124 centimeters. Peak horsepower, 1.5 horsepower. Maximum load, 120 kilograms. Speed range, 1.0 to 12.8 kilometers per hour. Features, 12 built-in fitness modes, Bluetooth speakers, multifunction components. Running board material, EVA high-density shock absorption soft running board. Gross weight, 35 kilograms. Smart screen, HD LCD screen. Shock absorption, 6-point silicone spiral shock absorption. Running area, 1,024,400 millimeters. Product structure, folding, no need to install.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. And this video helpful to you, please remember leave a like and subscribe our channel to see more video like this and future. If you have any questions you can leave a comment down below.